Here's Mount Shasta.
Where?
Right up there. How far away are we right now?
Oh, yeah, Mount Shasta.
Almost an hour.
We're 45 minutes, almost an hour away.
It's funny, I just know my dogs so well.
We're heading up to Mount Shasta. What time is it?
5.
5-ish. It's dark. We got a long climb, Saint. You ready for this? Troyston, you got this?
We're ready.
All right.
Myra, praise
Myra.
Yah. Go,
Praise
go,
Yah.
I'm sorry. Shouldn't close your-
Saint's in the lead. We're 1 mile in. Steady slope up.
Cliff.
Oh, we got cliffs on sides. Well, let's stay on the path. That sounds like a great idea. We've made good timing in the first mile though, right?
Yeah.
All right.
Under 20 minutes about.
Cool.
Right at 20, yeah.
All right. Up to Mount Shasta we go.
They're already busy.
Want to tell us what we're doing?
Yeah, they are.
We are at Mount Shasta and we are hiking this whole one and there's a box at the top.
And there's a box at the top. That's right. We're going way up there.
Yep,
We
and
came
there's-
from way down there.
And we seen the snow up there.
You ready for it?
Yeah.
Let's do it, girl.
What?
I mean, this is just literally the most epic sky that like ever.
Yeah.
Like you just don't see this down on the regular level.
And we're going to touch the clouds today.
Yeah, we are right up there, right?
Yep.
Right over. Oh, I'm kind of. There we go. I lost it. Huh?
There's the snow.
Man, look at that sunrise.
I just had yummy, delicious stuff.
Yeah.
It's that chocolate stuff that I really like.
With lots of energy in it.
Yeah.
All right, that's where we're headed. Not even halfway yet. Good job. You can pass me, girl. You can pass me. Go ahead. Pretty cool. Sunrise is coming up. I'm making a video. Look at these two. 3. Oh, this is definitely the life. We're a couple miles up on Mount Shasta. We started at about 5:30 a.m. We broke tree line, and now we get to enjoy the beautiful sunrise. Yahuwah created this all for us. It's just beautiful.
Dad has to pee, so don't hear him.
Okay, and there's the sunlight on the mountain. Taking a little breather.
Yeah.
I sure do love you, little one. Look at that sunrise.
We're just trying to make it up this mountain.
Oh, girl, we got this. I see it peeking.
Woo! Do you want to take a photo?
Maybe after the video. What's your favorite part so far?
Well, I wanted to see the box up top.
Yeah, the box, definitely.
That's my favorite part.
Yeah? Oh no, we didn't bring a Bible to put.
Look at that. We could touch the clouds today.
Yeah, we do, little one. This is beautiful.
Yeah.
Let's see what the mountain looks like.
There's a
Mount
box.
Shasta. Look at that one dark cloud up there. Isn't that cool looking?
Yeah.
It is a rain cloud.
Is it? Oh, not so cool, huh? All right.
And there's a box at the top.
Yep. We've made it to the tree line, and we still got miles to go up to the top of Mount Shasta. Man, we are doing it.
It's a lot of work. I've never thought it.
Yep, we're almost there.
There, though.
We're already above clouds.
Look at how close we are to the mountain.
Yeah.
I feel like it's a lot
Why
of
we
work.
went the
Added
right
work.
way, 'cause we were. Let's ride the clouds.
All right, we're about 2 mountains in on an 11 mountain, or 2 miles in on an 11-mile hike up to Mount Shasta. We're almost at the tree line, and we get to experience this beautiful sunrise.
And the snow on there.
Yeah. What are we gonna do with that snow? Come on.
And
No
we just
question,
had
this
that
one's got
smile
snow on
hike.
it.
You doing all right, Myra? All right, mountain dog.
I'm trying to lead all this in the pack.
Man, this is just beautiful.
Snow that never melts.
Just wow.
There's a bathtub down
There it is, sunrise in my back. Take another video of how far we've made it. We're almost up to the tree line still.
Made it.
Still enjoying our beautiful sunrise behind us. Oh, it's amazing. And here's me. Wow. Tryson's lost in captivity.
I get it.
Where'd he go? Silly me. There he is. He's checking her out. I feel like we've come out of the matrix system, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Being able to see. You don't have to run, sweetie. Just keep a good pace, okay? Keep a steady pace. We only got a couple miles to go, you know what I mean? Here I am. Whee!